Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the mean and the standard deviation. So we can see that this is about the database, and we know that one dot represents about one value. For example, this one that is about 60, so this one should be about 59 and 58. So one dot we have one value of 58. Now we have two dots that is about 59 and 59. Three dots that is about 60, 60 and 60. Now we can do similar for the next one. So after we put the database like this, we got until n equals to 100. After we got this one, we can find the average that is about the mean in here. So that should be this one, 2, 8, 100. And we got the mean in here. Now the standard deviation, we need to use about the sample in here. And you got about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.